Welcome to a new altcoin update video. Today we will take a closer look at Uniswap, which has been requested very often by you, and to be honest, I understand why. We will take a closer look at all of this in today's update video, where potential entry points are discussed, whether I have bought a position by now, how low it might go, and of course the most important question, where the bull run could go. We will definitely cover all of this in today's update video, so make sure to stay tuned until the end. Before we start, please give the video a like, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, and feel free to check out the free Telegram talk and signal group if you're interested. If you want updates, news, and signals, you're welcome to join in. You can find the links in the video description. If you want to buy, stake, or do anything else with Uniswap, you can do all of that at my partner exchange BingX. You can also support me by signing up with the link below in the video description. Now, let's not waste any time. Uniswap should be a term that everyone is familiar with. We have established a market cap of 4.6 billion for this altcoin, which is currently hovering around 7.72. We had our low point, again some time ago at the beginning of August, the August crash, that everyone can remember. At $4, yes, around 4.65 we had our low point. Since then it has clearly gone up again, but recently there has also been a slight correction. However, the upward trend is currently in progress. We do not have an altcoin season yet, so one must continue to be very cautious here. On the 4-hour time frame, if this downtrend holds, it looks relatively good. But there could still be a dump towards 6, 20 to approximately 6, and I might see the first smaller entries of 25%. Anyone who finds this too late or who is not yet involved can, of course, also do this in the current price range. Now let's move on to the daily time frame, which is significantly more interesting. We had our bear market low down here at around 375 to approximately, those were the low points I had already noted last year or the year before as possible entry points. So we got back in. Once again, we briefly missed it once. I would raise the line a bit higher to our last low, which would still be a crucial possibility. And down here, as mentioned, around 50%. To buy another position at 2001. Otherwise, I would provide another update here, but as I still assume, like with Bitcoin, that we could still move towards USD, important emphasis on could, this would definitely be my worst case scenario down here, that we would still see this price mark down here and only then see a truly sustainable bull run in the altcoin sector and also very likely with Uniswap at 2001. Let's take a quick look at the resistances upwards based on the current situation. We also had a rally here in April. At the end, or beginning of March, heading towards $17 from the current exit point would already represent nearly 150% potential gains. If we draw the Fibonacci from our high to our low, we can see that the next resistances would be around $12 to nearly $13. I would probably take some slight profits there if we manage to get these entry points down here. The bull run targets for 2021 are difficult. It is often said that especially altcoins usually do not reach their all-time highs from the last bull run. Therefore, I have set our Fibonacci from our $45 all-time high to our low at 3.05 on a daily view, and you can see the golden pocket, which for me would really be the first maximum target up here. From the current position, I would be absolutely satisfied with a fourfold increase if we could reach around $29 to $30. If we then get pullbacks, and it could even hold up, we might see it go even higher. However, since I tend to be pessimistic about altcoins, especially when they have already had a bull run, I would always be very cautious about bullish targets. Additionally, we need enough market volume, fresh capital, and a proper altcoin season. Feel free to write in the comments what you think about Uniswap. Do you have it in your portfolio? To be honest, I don't. I would really wait for around 390 to enter, as my altcoin portfolio is already full. But please share your opinion in the comments and what your price targets are for the bull run. I'm really curious. I would say we will hear from each other again tomorrow for a natural Bitcoin update video and of course also a new altcoin update video. Leave a like, subscribe, join the Telegram group. We'll hear from you again tomorrow. Until then, ciao ciao. Stay cool.